Alright friends, in this lesson we will dive into the variable and data type. We will see each data type in different lessons. In this lesson we just make general look to the data type. So I use integer. So what's integer? I come here, I say integer. So integer stores whole numbers like 100, like 90. If I want decimal numbers, I will use another data type. So after integer, which is my data type, I give my variable name. For example, I can say speed, and then I say equals to. I assign the value of 100 to the speed value. After that, I put my semicolon. If I want to print this value, what I need to do? I need to come here, system.out.print or println, and then inside the parentheses, I just give my variable name, which is speed. So I come here, and then I need to compile it by using javac command, and then I run it by using java command. As you see, I need to save it. I need to compile again, and then I run again. You see 100. I come here, you see 100 appears on the screen. With integer, I declare whole number. For example, if I say 100.5, you see an error appears. What's this error? Type mismatch error. It says I cannot convert from double to integer. For decimal numbers, I can use float or double. For example, I come here, I use double data type, and then what's my variable name? It can be value, and then I say 4.5. If I want to print this value, I copy this. So inside the parentheses, I give it. So let's run it. I compile and run it. You see 4.5. Super. For example, char data type. Char stores single characters. So I come here, I say char, and then I give variable name. For example, grade. I don't need to assign a value. I can declare it. If I want to initialize the value, I can assign a value. Char grade equals to, I say I open my single quotes because it's single character. For example, I say C. I put my semicolon. If I want to print it, I come here, and then I save it, I compile and run it. You see C appears. I can update the value of variable after it's declared. For example, let's update the value of speed. I say speed equals to 90. It was 100. I initialized this value, but after some time I want to change it. So how can I do that? I use this variable, and then I assign new values. Here I don't use this data type. I don't say integer. If I use integer, you see duplicate local variable speed. I got this error. I declare one time its data type, which is integer here. After some time, when I need to change it, I just use this variable name. So after I assign new value. So I copy this, I save it, and then I save again. I compile and run it. You see speed becomes 90. I change its value. Okay, we just made general look to variable data type, how we assign a value to this variable. We'll learn it. We will dive into integer, double, char, one by one in different lessons. Okay, see you in the next lesson.